Question: find the last digit of a number 17 power 256. Solution: the given number is 17 power 256. Now to find the last digit of this number, let the last digit of the base, that is 7. Now in step 1, you find the period of this last digit of the base, that is period of 7. So how to find the period of a 7? So to find the period of a 7, first 7 power 1 last digit is 7. 7 squares last digit is 7 square is 49, that is last digit is 9. Next 7 cube last digit is 3, 7 cube is 243. Next 7 power 4 last digit will be 1. Again 7 power 5 last digit will be 7. So repetition is happening after the 7 9 3 1. Again you will get 7 9 3 1, that is 7 power 6 will be last digit of 7 power 6 will be 9, last digit of 7 power 7 will be 3, last digit of 7 power 8 will be 1, etc. So now the period of 7 is 4. Period of 7 is 4. This is the step 1. In step 2, what you do is, in step 2, you divide the power of the 17 power 256, that is 256. You divide this 256 with this 4. Now if you divide this power of the number, that is 256, by 4, then you will get the remainder, that is 4 6 times 24, 1 6, 4 4 times 16, remainder is 0. Now if you divide any number by 4, you will get the remainders any one of 1, 2, 3 or 0. If you divide any number by 4, you will get the remainder either 1 or 2 or 3 or 0. Now in step 3, what you do is, now step 3 is mapping. So here you write the period, that you write the last digit of 7 power 1, that is 7. 7 square last digit is 9. Next 7 power 3 last digit is 3. 7 power 4 last digit is 1. Now you map like this. Here there is the chances of getting the remainders when you divide the power by 4, 1, 2, 3, 0. You map like this. So when you divide the power of a number by this period, if you get the remainder 1, then last digit of that number will be 7. If you get the remainder 2, last digit is 9. If you get the remainder 3, last digit is 3. If you get the remainder 0, then last digit is 1. But in this case, in this particular question, when you divide the power, that is 256, by the period 4, we got the remainder 0. That's why the last digit of the given number will be 1. So this is the answer. Therefore the answer for this question is, that is last digit of 17 power 256 will be 1. This is the short method to find the last digit of a number.